Did you know that 2.5 million tons of food is gone to waste globally every year? In Ohio alone, it is reported that 1 in 5 children are facing hunger. One of the biggest ways to reduce food waste is to give back the food that you don't need or eat. The biggest issue? Not everyone who can donate food has the time in the day to do so. Introducing Pantry Path, a cross-platform mobile app that allows volunteers to efficiently route donated food to pantries in their local communities. We built this app in the last 24 hours from scratch to address the lack of efficient donate food distribution system in the world.
Our app has three faces. We have the food bank, the donor, and the driver face. For the food bank, you enter in all your information as a food bank, and then we locate your longitude and latitude on the map, and then we pinpoint it for all the volunteer drivers and all the donors to see that you are nearby, and that we have an efficient route to get all of their donations from them to you. Our app has three faces. We have the food bank, the donor, and the driver face. For the food bank, for donors, when you sign up, you just use your Google account, and then you can automatically enter in all of your or any donations that you need on the app. For drivers, when you sign up, you'll go to the homepage and you'll be able to see all of the donations that are on the map. What was this?
Food pantry. Food bank. Food banks.
Food pantries can create requests for any food that they are running low on or they would like at their food pantry, and we have an algorithm that would automatically source any nearby donations automatically to that food pantry for any donations that they need. For donors, your first step for donating is taking a picture of all your items. Our AI will automatically categorize all of your items, and then you can edit the list if needed. After that, all of your donation will be available on the map for volunteer drivers to be able to pinpoint it, and they can click on it, and then they'll be able to see the closest nearby food bank, and then they have an automatic route that they'll be able to take from your donation to the food bank. And as soon as they get close to the food bank, they can click the deliver button, which will pop up a nice animation, and then that will automatically fulfill the any donations that they need on their end. For donors, your first step for donating is taking a picture of all your items. Our AI will automatically categorize all of your items, and then you can edit the list if needed, and on the consumer end.
Is React Native for the front end and Supabase for the back end and authentication. The database is a PostgreSQL database built for scalability and performance to handle storage of all food requests and donations. The Vision AI that we use for food recognition and the image processing is a high-level model trained on millions of food images. The future of Pantry Path is expanded the volunteer driver capabilities to include incentives for volunteers. We want to make it easy for people to donate food and fun for the volunteers who deliver it as well. We ask you, Honda, to join us in making the future of moving donated food across our communities of efficient and mobile experience. Is React Native for the front end and Supabase for the back end and authentication. The database is a PostgreSQL database built for scalability and performance to handle storage of all food requests and donations. The Vision AI that we use for food recognition and the image processing is a high-level model trained on millions of food images. The future of Pantry Path is expanded the